Many of our customers now are, of course, asking for a lower carbon footprint, because steel typically is a rather major part of many industrial products. So if we can lower our carbon footprint, that is much appreciated by our customers for sure. The environmental position of Ovako is, I think, a result of the fossil-free electricity system we have in Sweden. So since many, many decades, we have electrified our steel making. We have also electrified our heat treatment. And the one thing that remains is the heating of steel before hot rolling. And that's the project at hand, where we're going to use hydrogen. In our installation, the technology choices have been important. It's a world-first installation, so I think building the team was also about building the right competencies to make the right choices. We wanted some cost-efficient operation, dependable operation, but also flexibility in how we use the electrolysers. We think it's a lighthouse project that can be applied by others, not just in the steel industry, but also in other industries. And when we do this, we also hope to inspire others. We're not really looking to protect the technology, we're looking to share technology, and hopefully this can be a solution that can be applied in many more places. This is for us now the model to remove fossil emissions from heating of steel. So for Ovako, this investment means that we're taking one huge step towards zero emissions. That's been the major driving force from the beginning. We already have a world-leading position in carbon footprint. We could just stand still and enjoy that. But no, the journey and the hunt is on to zero emissions.